Minimum stock level is equal to this much. Maximum stock level is equal to ROL plus ROQ minus minimum consumption into minimum delivery period. Okay. Reorder level is 40,000, already calculated. Okay. Reorder quantity you take from the problem, 60,000 minus minimum consumption is 6,500. Minimum delivery period is 2. Okay. So maximum stock level is equal to 40,000 plus 60,000 minus 13,000. Okay. So the ultimate answer is 87,000. Maximum stock level is 87,000. Next, average stock level is equal to minimum stock level plus maximum stock level divided by 2. Its equation is minimum level plus maximum level divided by 2. Okay. Is equal to minimum stock level is 15,250. 15,250 is the minimum stock level. Maximum stock level is 87,000 divided by 2 is equal to 1,02,250 divided by 2 is equal to 51,125. 51,125 is the average stock level. Okay, like this you have to calculate. Danger level is to be calculated only when emergency delivery period is given in the problem. Only when they will give you emergency delivery period, then you calculate danger level. Okay. These are the levels of stock. You see one more problem regarding this. You see this problem. The following information relate to the consumption of material X for a month. Material X information is given. Maximum consumption 400 unit, minimum consumption 320 units. Then reorder quantity. Reorder quantity is 400. Means one time ordering quantity is 400 quantity. Delivery period 1 minimum. Okay. Delivery period minimum 1 week, maximum 3 weeks. Annual consumption during the year 4,800 unit. Annual consumption 4,800 unit. From the above, you are required to calculate ROL, minimum stock level, maximum stock level, average stock level. 4 points they ask to calculate. Before going to solve this problem, you have to see the problem carefully. Okay. Delivery period is clear regarding 1 week and 4 weeks. 1 week, 4 weeks is clear. Delivery period. There is no doubt regarding that. Delivery period is in week. What about the consumption? Whether the consumption is in week or month or annual base. You have to see it very carefully. Okay. Nothing is mentioned here. Maximum consumption 400, minimum consumption 320. This is in general. What it mean? You read the heading. You read the heading. The information related to the consumption of material X for a month. Consumption of material X for a month. Okay. Blindly you don't take the consumption. This consumption is based on month. Any problem?
Oh, sir.
You see the problem in the heading itself. In the heading itself, they told that material X consumption is for month. So consumption for the month is given. So this 400 is related with per month consumption. Okay. Therefore, you have to calculate weekly consumption. You have to calculate weekly consumption. You see here, minimum consumption is equal to 320 is the consumption divided by 4, because this 320 is the monthly consumption. Monthly is expressed in the heading itself. 320 divided by 4 is equal to 80 units per week. And maximum consumption is equal to 400 unit divided by 4. 400 by 4 is equal to 100 units per week. Then average consumption is equal to 80 plus 100 divided by 2. 80 is the minimum, 100 is the maximum, divided by 2 is equal to 90 units per week. Then delivery period minimum 1 week. Delivery period is minimum 1 week. Maximum delivery period 3 weeks. Average delivery period 1 plus 3 divided by 2 is equal to 2 weeks. Okay. So my dear friends, you remember before going to solve the problem, you read the problem very carefully. Otherwise, you will commit the mistake. Otherwise, definitely you commit the mistake. Remember this point. Regarding consumption and regarding the delivery period, you clear that time factor. Clear that time factor and then solve the problem. Okay. Required information is collected. Now you write the equation. Reorder level is equal to maximum consumption into maximum delivery period. Maximum consumption is 100, maximum delivery period is 3. Reorder level is 300 units. Means what it means, 300 unit. Whenever there is a 300 units in your Godawan, you have to place the order. Okay, reorder level. Then minimum consumption is equal to average consumption into ROL, reorder level, minus average consumption into average delivery period. Average delivery period is equal to 300 is the reorder level into 90 is the average consumption. Delivery period average is 2 is equal to 300 minus 180 is equal to 120. 120 is the minimum stock level. Then next come to the maximum stock level. Maximum stock level is equal to ROL plus ROQ minus minimum consumption into minimum delivery period. Minimum consumption into minimum delivery period. You see here, ROL, reorder level is 400 plus ROQ is 300. Reorder quantity. Reorder quantity is given in the problem, 300. Then minimum consumption into minimum delivery period. Minimum consumption is 80. Delivery period minimum is 1 week. 1 week is equal to 400 plus 300 minus 80 is equal to 620. 620 is the maximum stock level. Maximum stock level. Then average stock level is equal to minimum stock level plus maximum stock level divided by 2. Divided by 2. So average stock level is equal to 120 plus 620 divided by 2. is equal to 740 divided by 2 is equal to 370. 370. 370 is the average stock. I calculated all these levels of stock. Danger stock level is not possible to calculate. Okay, this is the second example. One more example I'll take regarding 5 mass. You see this problem. In this problem, the following information were collected from Mathos Company Limited. Minimum usage 200 per week. You see here. Minimum usage 200 per week. 200 per week. Maximum usage 400 per week. Usage means consumption, use. Maximum quantity used 400 units per week. Minimum quantity used 200 units per week. Reorder period 2 months minimum, 4 months maximum. 4 months maximum. Okay. Whatever already I solved two problems. Consumption period is more. Okay. Consumption expressed in high unit and delivery period expressed in low unit of time. In this problem, consumption is in week. Consumption is in week and delivery period is in month. Okay, delivery period is in month. Then you have to convert anyone. You can convert anyone. If you want to convert the delivery period, it is in month, you convert in weeks. 2 months means how many weeks? 2 months means how many weeks? And 4 months means how many weeks? You may convert it into weeks, no problem. On an average, 52 weeks in a year. On an average, 52 weeks in a year. And on an average, there are 4 weeks in a month. 4 weeks in a month. 2 weeks means how many months means? It is 8 months, 8 weeks. 2 months is nothing but 8 weeks. You have to take it as a 8 week. And 4 months is nothing but 4 into 4. 16 weeks. 16 weeks. You may convert it into month. Okay. Take the consumption in week. Take the period into weeks. 2 week means 2 month means 8 weeks. 4 month means 16 weeks. Convert it and solve, no problem. Otherwise, you convert the consumption into month. 1 week consumption, per week consumption is 200. What is the consumption for the month? 1 week you require 200 units. What is the requirement, minimum requirement for a month? Anyone answer me? Your mic is open and audio is also open. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Minimum consumption is 200 units per week. What is the minimum consumption for a month? Are you getting me point? Are you getting my point or not? Maximum usage 400 units per week. Per week consumption is maximum 400. What is the maximum consumption for a week? Sorry, month.
1,600 units.
Huh? Come on, tell me. You don't take this costing as a costing. You take this costing as your general topic. Any ordinary person can tell me the answer. I'm expressing my views in general. Per week consumption is 200. What is it? Okay, it is net problem. Yes. 200 consumption is per week. What is the consumption for a month? In a month, there are 4
800
weeks.
units.
What is 4 months, 4 week consumption?
800 units.
800. Then what is the maximum consumption for the month?
1,600 units.
1600. Are you getting my point? Then I'll convert it. You see here. Maximum consumption is equal to 200 in, sorry, yes, minimum consumption. Minimum consumption is equal to 200 per week, and for 4 weeks is equal to 800. Maximum consumption 400 per week into 4 is equal to 1600 for a month. And average consumption is 800 plus 1600 divided by 2 is equal to 1200 per month. Then minimum delivery period is equal to 2 months. Maximum delivery period is 4 months. 4 months. Okay. Four months. And average delivery period is equal to 2 plus 4 divided by 2 is equal to 3 months. You see here, all the information is in month. Whatever already I solved, all the information is converted into week. And here I converted into month. Clear? Now write the equation. Reorder level is equal to maximum consumption into maximum delivery period. Reorder level is equal to maximum consumption into maximum delivery period. 1600 into 4. It is 6400. Minimum consumption is equal to minimum stock level. Minimum stock level is equal to ROL minus average consumption into average delivery period is equal to ROL is 6400. It is calculated in the first equation. Minus average consumption is 1200. Average delivery period is 3 is equal to 6400 minus 3600. And minimum stock level is 2800. 2800. Next is maximum stock level. Maximum stock level is equal to ROL plus ROQ minus minimum consumption into minimum delivery period. Minimum delivery period. Minimum stock level, sorry, maximum stock level is equal to ROL 6400 plus ROQ 8000 given in the problem minus minimum consumption into minimum delivery period. Minimum consumption is 800 per month. Minimum delivery period is 2 months. Okay. Is equal to 6400 plus 8000 minus 1600. Maximum stock level is equal to 12,800. 12,800. Okay. Next is average stock level. Average stock level is equal to minimum level plus maximum level divided by 2 is equal to 2,800 plus 12,800 divided by 2. It is 15,600 divided by 2 is equal to 7,800. 7,800 is the average stock level. Okay. These are the different examples I solved regarding the consumption period and delivery period. If there is a difference regarding time factor, then you have to convert the time factor into same unit. Okay. You solve all the 5 marks questions. Otherwise, tomorrow I'll explain. I will explain all the 5 marks questions regarding how to solve the 5 marks questions related with stock levels. Regarding stock levels, you solve all the problems. Complicated problems I solved. Complicated I solved. Direct problems are there. You solve all the direct problems. Then next second technique is economic order quantity. Example based on economic order quantity. Economic order quantity means it is the quantity to be ordered at once, so as to minimize your ordering cost and carrying cost. Ordering cost means expenses incurred during the order, and carrying cost means maintenance of stock. Maintenance of stock expense. Okay. This is one example I taken. Only 2 minute time is there. I try to explain it. And after this class, you leave 10 minutes. You take 10-minute break and rejoin for income tax class. I'll start income tax class at 12:35. Income tax class I'll start at 12:35. Rejoin at 12:35 for the income tax class. Okay. And you see a calculation of EOQ. If it is ended, if it will end in the middle, I'll continue in the next class. You see here. Calculate EOQ. Annual consumption is 600 unit. Carrying cost is 20% of the price. 20% is the carrying cost. Ordering cost is ₹12 per order. Selling price per unit is 20. On the basis of this 20 rupee, you have to calculate the carrying cost. 20% of this 20